More than just walls and a roof, a home is an experience, one that embraces warmth, elegance, and simplicity. This modern minimalist farmhouse is where thoughtful design meets effortless comfort, creating a space that feels both timeless and inviting. Every line, every proportion speaks confidence. This design reimagines the farmhouse aesthetic, maintaining its inviting spirit while introducing bold, modern elements. The result is a striking silhouette that feels both grounded and sophisticated. Material choices define the soul of a home. Warm wooden textures add depth, natural stone grounds the design, and sleek black metal introduces a refined contrast. A neutral palette brings it all together, enhancing the home's understated elegance. Architectural boldness meets meticulous detailing. Sharp rooflines, dynamic overhangs, and precisely framed windows define the structure. As daylight shifts, the home evolves, exuding modern sophistication by day and an intimate, ambient glow by night. Designed to embrace nature, the landscape extends the home's warmth beyond its walls. Stone pathways lead to tranquil garden spaces, while an inviting outdoor lounge fosters moments of connection and relaxation. Every space is a reflection of balance, light and texture, warmth and minimalism. The layout embraces openness, allowing natural light to shape the atmosphere, while carefully curated materials enhance both comfort and sophistication. Windows do more than illuminate. They sculpt the relationship between space and nature. Thoughtfully positioned, they invite sunlight while maintaining privacy, framing picturesque views that evolve with the seasons. Organic elements bring authenticity to every surface. The grain of wood, the texture of stone, the softness of linen. Each material tells a story, adding depth and a tactile sense of warmth. The kitchen is designed with intention, an elegant yet practical space where form meets function. A spacious island doubles as a dining area, while clever storage solutions keep the space organized and effortlessly stylish. A place to gather, unwind, and create memories. The living room embraces a balance of openness and intimacy, centered around a grand stone fireplace that radiates warmth and character. Soft lighting, a neutral palette, and carefully selected textiles create a bedroom that feels like a private sanctuary, perfect for unwinding and finding tranquility. A space designed for rejuvenation. The bathroom combines raw natural stone with soft lighting, minimalist fixtures, and a deep soaking tub, creating a retreat that feels effortlessly luxurious. Sustainability isn't just a feature, it's an integrated philosophy. Energy-efficient materials, passive cooling techniques, and reclaimed elements ensure that beauty and responsibility go hand in hand. Every detail, no matter how small, contributes to the experience. From the softness of linen throws to the artisanal touch of handcrafted decor. These elements weave together a story of effortless sophistication. A home isn't just about design, it's about the way it feels. The interplay of natural materials, the dance of light, and the harmony of textures create a space that is both elegant and timeless. Here, simplicity and sophistication exist in perfect balance.